Hey guys, welcome back. Troy Industries. It's me again, Greg. Sorry. I guess I'm the coolest guy they got, or self-proclaimed coolest employee at Troy Industries is me. As you can see today, we're going over all of our rails that we offer from start to finish, left to right. I'm going to tell you what I like about them. I'll tell you why I think you could use them and why you'll enjoy them. So let's get straight into this and start talking about it. One of my personal favorite ones is the X Series rail. As you can see, it comes in a couple different lengths. What is so cool about this rail and what I like the most, and probably why my wife stole it off my gun, is because it's got a smaller profile. As you can see, we removed the Picatinny rail out from the top. We still have front here, a little bit here, so you can get attachments on it. And of course, it's all M-locked. And we made it a smaller profile for better grip. I like this a lot because I don't have very large hands. I think that's why my wife stole it. It's machine textured top and bottom all the way around, so when you grab it, it grabs you back. It still has our vent holes. It's vented on top too, so if you're doing a lot of heavy competition running and stuff, your gun's gonna get plenty of air around the barrel. Our M-lock pattern is still stacked, so you know it's gonna be hard to crush. It's really tough. I'm just kidding. You thought I was gonna throw it. I wouldn't do that. Cora would throw something at me. You can get amazing C-clamp grip on it, as you can see. And of course, it's machined right here in Clarksville, Tennessee, out of aluminum and then hard coat anodized. We get this in FDE and black. Hopefully we can get more colors soon. Let's bug Steve Longin about that. He's our Cerakote guy. Maybe we can get him to do some cool patterns. But moving on, probably our most popular rail, especially for our LE military folks, is our Gen 2 Sock C rail with the full Picatinny rail down the middle. This is, as you can see, probably the best duty rail that we have because you have maximum room for all your attachments and stuff. We still have our M-locks. It's still machine textured, still very low profile, extremely tough. M-lock pattern is still stacked, so it's crush proof. We have our QD mounts all the way around the rail, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. Great rail, hard coat anodized, same thing, made out of aluminum, machined right in-house at Troy Industries. And of course, I always recommend you run our squid grips when you're running any of our M-lock stuff, or if you have M-lock at home, squid grips work great on those too. I'm not going to pretend to throw that because Cora gave me a side eye when I did that just a minute ago. So moving on, comes in a couple different rail sizes also, FDE and black. Bother Steve Longin. Let's see if we can get it in something really cool color like blue. I don't know. The Legacy rail, the rail that just won't die because it is amazing. People love it. I love it. It's been called the cheese grater. We call it the alpha rail. As you can see, this one's in FDE. We have it in black. I actually, when my wife stole my X Series rail, I went and got one of these from the factory. I paid for it. I gave some of my paycheck back to Troy Industries. It was a good trade. This rail, as you can see, it's round, it's great. You got that Coke can grip you can run on it. Full Picatinny rail down the top. We have our locking tab on there. But you're like, Greg, I can't attach anything. That's okay, because Steve Troy thinks about you. And we've added our QARS attachment system that comes in every box. You get a couple different sizes there, so you'll be able to run Picatinny attachments on this rail. This rail has been put through the paces and it's ran all over the world. Australia runs it. We've worked with some really cool guys at some really cool places, and they helped us design this. And this rail was designed by the end user pretty much from start to finish. A lot of input behind guys that know how to run a gun. So this rail will always be one of my favorites. And then if you have been around guns for more than a couple days, you already know this is our quad rail. It's not a free float rail. Our 7-inch drop-in quad rail. It's a pop-in replacement, great option. Has QD mounts all the way around. Of course, we label it top, bottom, left, and right, so it's easy to put on. Don't really need any tools to put it on. Once you slide it in, all you need is a screwdriver to tighten these screws down. We do recommend a little bit of red Loctite as always. It's in place, it's extremely strong, extremely durable. The great rail, very dependable, a straight workhorse for anybody that has an AR-15 at home. But maybe you don't like that little empty space over top of your Delta ring. Don't worry, we enhanced it. We added this lip so you can get perfect attachment all the way down through your entire rifle. So this is our 7-inch enhanced drop-in rail, and the only difference is we added this little lip to go over top of the Delta ring. Still has our QD swivels, it mounts in it, still attaches to the Delta ring with our stake front sight post. Great rail, great option, nice little upgrade feature, and it looks pretty cool on all your clone rifles if you're trying to build something. And then our AK rails, we have them in long and short. AKs are kind of a monster in their own, so these are designed to fit stamped receivers, not necessarily forged receivers, but they're extremely tough. Corey, one of the sales guys, actually runs this rail during competitions because he's a madman and he runs AK-47s instead of AR-15s during comps. These rails, M-lock pattern, super cool rail, great lockup system. I've never seen one of these rails fail. That's why I guess Corey trusts it during competitions. M-lock pattern, ready to go. If you don't know, if you want to purchase this and you're unsure it's going to fit your AK rifle, call us, talk to us. We'll get you the specs on this. Make sure you get the right thing so when it gets to your house, you can put it on, get to the range, and enjoy the product as much as we do here at Troy Industries. And then, I know we've talked about this rail a little bit in the past. I wanted to hide it. This beautiful Surge rail. No, the suppressor's not included unless you buy the gun. This rail is just cool. As you can see, we're running on a 7.5-inch barrel right now that's suppressed. You can see we vented the sides. We put steel QD inserts in it. It locks up just like our other rail with the 4 clamps. And what those clamps do is it gives you pressure points all the way around. So it's not just all your weight's not being held down here. You have 4 even load points to run your rail. We've held up to 70 pounds on front of this rail before it started moving, and then once we removed it, it went right back where it was supposed to be at. So this is an extremely great locking system that we use. That's why we use it. And then, yeah, it's just a cool rail. Anyways, Corey said I was allowed to shoot this video even though it has nothing to do with guns. So I'm never one to turn down free bullets. So let's turn around. I'll show you how awesome this rail is, and I'll do a 5-round mag dump, I think, because that's what I loaded prior to this video. So, and it's suppressed, so I don't even have to wear ear pro. Just kidding, it's a pistol, so I'm going to use the pistol brace because I'm not an outlaw. Runs great, feels great, all around, great gun. I mean, pistol. You should go check one of these out too and get yourself some rails for your guns. All right, guys, seriously, thank you guys for joining us. We love all the comments. Hit us up, let us know what you think. I'm still really wanting to do a machine gun video, so if you guys could help me out. Also, Paul, our president, has received 0 fan mail. I totally get it, he's not as cool as me, but let's get him some fan mail because I really want to waste a small portion of his day making him read all this stuff. Anyways, if you need some rails, hit us up, let us know, like, subscribe, comment, Instagram, email us at sales@troyind.com. I'm probably forgetting something. And until next time, we'll see you guys later.